In this video, you'll be learning 2 easy coin tricks. How to make coins vanish out of thin air, just like that.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you 2 easy coin magic tricks that you can do right now. How cool is that? So grab any coin. I'm gonna teach you how to make it vanish and then reappear, or well, it looks like it does. So you hold it just like this, and then you want to tilt the coin like this, and then grab the coin with your pointer finger, and then you want to grab it and then pull it inwards like this and hold it. And then when it's covered, it looks like it's gone. And then you just grab it and push it through your hand. So when you shake and cover, it looks like it vanishes and reappears just like that. How cool is that? So for the next trick is called the anti-gravity coin trick. It vanishes. Where did it go? It's right here. So how you do it is, first step is you want to actually throw it and catch it. And then the next time, you want to pretend to throw it. So you just saw me throw and catch it. So now when I pretend to, you're really gonna think I just threw and caught it. But I never did the second time. The first time I did. So you pretend to throw it. So what you want to do when you pretend to throw it is when you go to throw it, you cover the coin with your hand, just like this, when you throw it. And pretend it's here, and everyone thinks it's right here, and all their focus and attention's right here, right? Really, it's still right here. So pretend to throw it, catch it, or pretend to, and then it's right here, so you show there's nothing here, and then you want to have the coin right here, and just open up like this far. So your fingers cover the coin, so it looks like it's gone, and it gives the illusion that the coin is gone. You can move your hand around like this. It's gone. Where did it go? And maybe when they're not looking, you can put your coin in your pocket, and it's like, oh, where did it go? It's vanished. I'm gonna get it back out of my pocket, and super cool, just like that. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button, leave a like, comment down below what video you want to see next. I post magic tricks and all kinds of different really cool videos for you every single day. I post every single day, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Join the magic fam, the magic community. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Boom! And also, don't forget, you're awesome.